Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, you just click here on account settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go above account details, click on it here. So then it's going to take us to this list here, and you just go down here, you keep going down, and you come here to share which or group companies here, and you click in this sign or this color. That like you see color, it's gone, that's me share which or group companies, it's on off with us now here. Then you go up or down, click on it. So then it's going to add with us on your OpenTable app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.